Hey guys, welcome back to answersQ. If you want to learn Java programming or JavaScript or Python programming, or if you want to learn about HTML, CSS or C++ programming, then keep watching this video till the end, because in this video we'll be seeing some free live online classes through which you can learn these topics for absolutely free of cost. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And I would also like to give you a small update about Coursera Plus. So if you want to learn from the professionals working at top companies like Google, Meta, IBM, Microsoft, or if you want to learn from professors who are teaching at top universities like Duke University, then Coursera Plus subscription is for you, because with this Coursera Plus, you can access 7,000 plus world-class courses, and not only that, you can get guided projects, job-ready certificate programs, and there are a lot more things, and all this for one price. And you can also earn unlimited certificates, and these certificates are recognized worldwide. And here is a small comparison. So if you buy any individual course or individual program in Coursera, it will cost you more, but if you go for Coursera Plus monthly subscription, it is comparatively available at a less price than individual courses. And not only that, with the monthly subscription, you can get 7,000 plus courses from top companies, like I said earlier, top companies and universities, and you can earn unlimited certificates. There is no limit. So if you go for a single learning program, you will buy only one program at this price, but if you go for a subscription plan, it's going to be more beneficial for you, and you can develop job relevant skills, and you can access top level programs from industry leaders like Google. So make use of it. And currently they are also giving 50% discount on Coursera Plus annual subscription plan. I'll also give you that link in description. So I hope you will find this useful. And now let's move on and see the free live online courses which are going to be offered by LetsUpgrade e-learning platform in upcoming days. So they're offering some live classes which is going to be for 5 days. So it's like a 5 days training program, and we'll see about it one by one now. So the first one is Java Programming Essentials Bootcamp. So it's a 5 days program which is going to start on 14th February 2023. And for 5 days, you have to spend 1 hour, like 1 hour each day. So 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. is what they have given here. So this program is for beginners who are looking to learn Java programming but don't know where to start. So if you are in that phase, this program is definitely going to be helpful for you. And the biggest advantage of these programs are these are live programs, which means there is someone going to guide you. So if you have any doubt, you can just ask them and you can just solve that query. So here you are not only just going to learn, you also have some projects and assignments in which you will have to work on. So this will give you that real world work experience. So I hope you will find these things useful. And here in the curriculum section, you can also see what are the topics that they are going to cover. You can see here the exact topics. So the curriculum is given for you, and you will get a certificate like this after completing the course as well. So this is the first program which is going to start on 14th February 2023. So if you want to learn Java programming, make use of it. So similarly, there are more programs like this. So if you want to learn JavaScript programming, they do have a program for that. It will be starting on 6th February 2023, and the time given here is 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So for 5 days you have to work on it. So this is the second program, and the third one is Python Programming Essentials Bootcamp. So this is also going to be a 5 days training program where you can learn everything about Python 3. I mean, you can learn all the fundamentals which you should know about Python. So it will be on 31st January 2023, and the time is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And the next one is HTML and CSS Essentials Bootcamp. So this is on 30th January 2023. Here it is given as 2022, but it is given wrong. So it will be on 30th January 2023, and it will be for 5 days, 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And you have some hands-on projects as well, so make use of it. And the next one is C++ Programming Essentials Bootcamp. This will be starting on 23rd January 2023. And the timing is 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So if you want to learn these things, make use of this 5 days training program that is offered by LetsUpgrade. So now let me quickly tell you how you can register for these programs. I have given you a link in description through which you can access this page in our website, LetsUpgrade free courses with certificate. And here if you just scroll down, you can see the program that is currently available. You can see what you will learn. Everything is given here. You can simply click on enroll now, and it will take you to the program page like this. And from here you can simply click on the sign up that you see here at the right top. and then you can just give your basic details and click on submit and create your account first, or else you can also use your Google account to create an account in this platform. And once you are done with the registration process, you'll be redirected to the program page, and from here you can simply click on enroll now button and you can enroll for the program which you choose. So I hope you will find these programs very useful, and if you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this.